Good morning, sir. So today I will discuss about the front office organizational structure, guest service agent, night auditor, and concierge. Front office. The front office is called the face of the hotel because it is the first and last department that guests see. It handles guest arrivals, departures, and all guests concerned. So, front office is sila ang ginatawag nga face of the hotel kay sila man ang first o last nga makita nga makipag-istorya sa mga guests. Ang ilang trabaho kay para magpalipay og komportable ang mga guests gikan sa pag-check-in o hangtod sa pag-check-out. In a small to medium hotel, the front office is usually managed by the front office manager. Under him here are three important positions: guest service agent or receptionist. This is the main person who welcomes guests at the front desk. Duties: check-in and check-out of guests, answer phone calls, handle reservations, give room keys, and answer guest questions. Skills needed: good communication, smiling attitude, computer skills, and knowledge of hotel services. Importance: the receptionist creates the first impressions of the hotel. Good service here makes guests feel welcome. So, ang guest service agent or receptionist is sila ang naa sa front desk, sila ang una nga mo-greet mo-greet og welcome sa mga guests. Ilang trabaho is mag-check-in o check-out sa mga guests. Sila gahatag sa yabi sa kwarto, motubag og tawag o mo-assess kung naay mga problema. And sila pud ang gadawat sa bayad. Night auditor. The night auditor works during the night shift, usually from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. Duties: check in late guests, check out early guests, monitor hotel security, balance daily accounts, and prepare reports for the manager. Skills needed: attention to detail, basic accounting, and ability to work alone. Importance: the night auditor makes sure the hotels run smoothly at night and that all money and records are correct before the next day. So, night auditor, sila ang gatrabaho sa gabi mga 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. So, duha ang ilang ginatrabaho. Sila ang mo assess sa mga guests kung naay mo abot o gabi o sila ang mag-check-in. Second, sila ang ga-compute og report. So, ilang gina-check kung tama ba ang pagkwenta sa kwarta o bayad sa tanan nga guests para ato nga gabi. So mo na ginatawag sila nga night audit. So sila pud ang mobantay sa hotel para sa safety sa mga guests. Concierge. Concierge. The concierge is the guest informations and service expert. Duties: help guests with special requests like booking tours, restaurant reservations, transportations, and giving local informations. Skills needed: good knowledge of the area, helpful attitude, and problem-solving skills. Importance: the concierge makes the guest stay more comfortable and memorable by giving extra help. So, ang concierge, sila ang gatabang sa mga guests kung mangutana ang mga bisita kung asa ang restaurant or pwede ba magpabook og taxi o unsa pa nga mga lingaw dalan dapita. So, ang concierge ang motabang. So, sila pod ang mag-book og tour, restaurant o motabang sa mga VIP guests. Summary: the guest service agent, night auditor, and concierge all work together to give excellent guest service 24 hours a day. Even with different schedules and tasks, their goal is the same: to make sure guests are happy, safe, satisfied their stay. Thank you, thank you and mabuhay.